type of meroblastic cleavage that takes place in the centrolecithal kinds of eggs is termed as superficial meroblastic cleavage. Now centrolecithal eggs contain high amount of yolk at the center of the egg, and such eggs are present in the insects. So this is the insect egg, which is elongated. It mainly contains at the center high amount of yolk. Now this is micropyle, this is shell, and this is nucleus. Nucleus of this egg is present at the geometric central position of the yolk. Then this is cytoplasm. The central portion of the cytoplasm mainly contains the yolk, which is called as the endoplasm. It doesn't undergo any kind of cleavage, and the endoplasm is surrounded by a area, superficial area, which is free from the yolk, that is called as the periplasm. Now this periplasm area of a cytoplasm mainly undergoes a process of cleavage. So in this case, what happens? First, mainly the nucleus start dividing with the mitosis. So fertilization takes place and the zygote is produced. Now after fertilization, this zygotic nucleus continuously undergo mitosis and new nuclei are produced. Only nuclear division, that is karyokinesis, takes place, but the cell division or cytokinesis is absent. So many nuclei are produced at the central position of the egg. After that, after continuous nuclear division, at the 9th nuclear division, some nuclei go at the periphery, and they get covered with the plasma membrane or cell membrane, and these nuclei now called as the primordial germ cells. After again the nuclear division continues, at about 10th to 13th cycle of nuclear division, most of the nuclei migrate to the periphery, and it produces a cell which contains many nuclei. Only the nuclei are present, the cell division is absent, so cells are not there, only nuclei are present. So one cell containing many nuclei, that is called as the syncytium. So such syncytial cell is produced, and it is termed as the syncytial blastoderm. Then at the 14th cell cycle, most of the cells go towards the periphery, and they get covered with the nuclei get covered with the plasma membrane, that is the cell division takes place all over the egg. The nuclei now have their cells, and this blastoderm is called as the cellular blastoderm. So this is all about the superficial cleavage that takes place in the insect egg.